आपने वो वाला शो देखा जो मैंने रेकमेंड किया था, चिड़ैया?
I did. It was, I am at a loss of words to express how not anguished but how terrified I was. I heard a lot of people, including you, talking about how triggered you were, how angry all of you were. In fact, on Instagram, also a lot of people sharing that it was so traumatic and all. I was legit scared, especially that scene when they are on their honeymoon and he is banging the door. I had to take a pause because I was scared. My heart literally goes out for all those women who go through this behind the safety of their homes. I mean, we knew that we are not safe outside, लेकिन घर कम से कम मिनिमम हम घर में तो सेफ महसूस कर सकते हैं. इतनी बेसिक राइट, इतनी बेसिक प्रिविलेज तो हमको मिल सकती है ना.
आई थिंक मेरे लिए जो ट्रॉमेटिक था उस पूरी सीरीज में ये था कि दैट फैमिली वाज द मोस्ट एजुकेटेड फैमिली ऑफ द एंटायर एरिया. जो उसके डैड को स्कॉलर दिखाया है, ही हैज़ रिसीव्ड सो मेनी अवार्ड्स, ही इज़ एक्चुअली अ रीडर. तो पीपल से कि जो ज़्यादा पढ़ते हैं उनके पास ज़्यादा दे आर बहुत ज्ञानीज, दे डोंट डू थिंग्स लाइक दिस. But when I saw him not taking the stand for the so much loved बहू जो वो लेके आया था इतने प्यार से, उसके लिए पोइट्री लिख रहा था कि बहू अब ये तुम्हारा घर है, हम तुम्हें यहाँ इज्जत देंगे, हम तुम्हें ये करवाएंगे, ऐसे करेंगे. All went in vain when something as this reality came out to him. I was taken aback.
But this particular show, you know, brought out the reality कि it is, education cannot reform you unless you really want to be reformed, unless you know कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. And then of course Divya Datta was amazing in that show, the way she played her character. But starting में even she was triggering me जब वो कहती है कि you know, लुगाई के लिए पेपर पीछे से शुरू होता है. और लुगाई का सबसे बड़ा डर होता है कि तमाशा ना बन जाए. I am just at loss of words on how at so many levels that show was traumatic and, you know, triggering. Right from, you know, how women are weak, marital rape, how we can't even talk openly about periods, menstruation with our daughters.
Correct.
How men want us to be strong but not strong enough to fight with them.
Yeah.
Not strong enough to stand for what is right for ourselves.
सही फैमिली के लिए अच्छा होता है.
हाँ, सही के लिए लड़ो लेकिन हमसे मत लड़ो.